stuck in my own bed, trapped in these cardboard walls. I see all these faces, and they don't see me at all. I miss the old days, where time didn't disappear. We talk about our future, and how we get out of here. Sick of feeling like I'm dead, sick of fighting my eyelids, sick of hearing these sirens. All I want is some silence. Shh. If I'm the life of the party, why do I stay home? Why do I stay home? If everyone says they love me, why do I feel alone? Instead is my phone. I don't wanna lie, don't wanna lie, don't wanna lie here in this hell. I don't wanna try, don't wanna try, don't wanna try all by myself. Cause I'm the life of the party. Why do I stay home? Why do I stay home?
Loving you is like a fairy tale. I just can't pick up the phone again. This time I'll be on my own, my friend. One more time I'm all alone again. Sex with you is like I'm dreaming, and I just wanna hear you scream again. Now you're gone, I can't believe it. Time I spent with you deceiving me. I don't care if you believe in me. I still wonder why you're leaving me. I don't care if you believe me. I still wonder why you tease me. If I'm taking this the wrong way, I hope you know that you can tell me whatever you're thinking. It's when you put me in the spotlight. I hope you know I'm faded, all this liquor I'm drinking. And if I'm taking this the wrong way, I hope you know that you can tell me whatever you're thinking. It's when you put me in the spotlight. It's when you put me in the spotlight. When the moon hit your skin, I could see you and him, not you and me. But it's just you and me.